Select Edit Company. Select Payroll Details. Select Yes in relation to P11D and then press Save. Once saved, return to the payroll dashboard. Select Edit on the employee. Then select Expenses and Benefits. Here you can enter car, loan and other expense information. Once done, press Save and head to Filing Management. Then select P11D in the top left corner. Here you can download the P11D-B and P11Ds. For individual P11Ds, select Employees in the top right corner and then download on each individual employee. Once you're happy, enter your notes and then press Submit. Nomi will then process the submission to HMRC.